Hello everyone, welcome to the first part of chapter 15 quadrilaterals. Today we will discuss on the general introduction of quadrilaterals and its properties. So what is quadrilaterals or what is the meaning of this word? So the word quadrilateral has originated from two words. First one is quadri means four and lattice means side, that is four side. So the means of this word, that is four sided. So a quadrilateral is a four sided closed figure in a plane. Look at here, just like A, B, C and D. Here A, B, C, D are the 4 points in a plane such that no three of them are collinears. Okay, now let's discuss on the properties of a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, it has four sides, या four line segment like AB, BC, CD and DA. Four vertices या corners like A, point B, point C, point D. Four angles ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA and angle DAB. Two diagonals also AC and BD. It has also four pairs of adjacent sides. Adjacent side means two sides of a quadrilateral which have a common endpoints are called its adjacent side. So here four pairs of adjacent sides like ABBC, BCCD, CDDA and DAAB. These are the four pairs of adjacent sides of quadrilateral ABCD. It also has a four pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means two angles of a quadrilaterals having a common arm are called its adjacent angles. Like angle A and angle B, one pair, angle B and angle C, second pair, angle C and angle D, third pair, and last fourth, angle D and angle A. Now it also has opposite sides. It has two pairs of opposite sides. Two sides of quadrilaterals are called its opposite sides if they do not have a common end point. So look at here. Here BC and AD, like BC and AD, and second one is like AB and CD. So ABCD, AB and CD and AD and BC are two pairs of opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Also it has two pairs of opposite angles like angle A opposite to angle C, one pair, and angle B opposite to angle D, second pair. And last one, the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360. That means sum of angle ABC plus BCD plus CDA plus DAB is equal to the 360 degree. Okay, now solve some problem based on it. The first one is that the three angles of a quadrilaterals are 76 degree, 54 degree and 108 degree. Find the measure of the fourth angle. So here three angles are given, you have to find the fourth one. So you know that according to the properties of quadrilaterals, sum of all these four angles are equal to 360. So now solve it. 76 plus 54 plus 108 plus x. Here we let that the fourth angle be x. Now after solving this, first of all we add these three angles, we get 238. Now we transposing 238 on the right side. After that we get x is equal to 360 minus 238, that is 122 degree. So the fourth angle is 122 degree is your answer. Okay student. Next second one is the angles of a quadrilaterals are in the ratio 3:5:7:9. Find the measure of each of these angles. So let the measure of the angles of the given quadrilateral be 3x degree, 5x degree, 7x degree and 9x degree. Now we again use the properties of quadrilateral, that is sum of all the four angles of the quadrilateral is 360. Now add this 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 360 degree. After solving this we get the value of x, only the value of x. So here we get x is equal to 15 degree. So the angles are, first angle is 3 into x, that is 3 into 15, that is 45 degree. Second one is 5x, that means 5 into 15 is equal to 75 degree. Third one is 7x, that is 7 into 15 is equal to 105 degree. And the fourth one is 9x, that is 9 into 15 is equal to 135 degree. 135 degree. It's your answer. Now next is three angles of a quadrilateral are equal. That means in a closed figure, in a quadrilateral, three angles are equal, and the measure of the fourth angle is 120 degree. And one of the angles, one fourth means fourth angles are given, and it is 120 degree. You have to find the measure of each of the equal angles. So here we let that the three equals angles be x degree, because all three angles are equal. So here we let that the equals three angles are x degree. So again we use the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So x plus x plus x plus 120, because the fourth angle is 120 degree is given. So here we put the value of the fourth angles, and after sum it we get 3x is equal to 360 degree minus 120, that is 240. Now after solving this we get x is equal to 80 degree. X is equal to 80 degree, that means all the three equals angles are 80 degree. So each of the equals angle measure 80 degree. It's your answer. Okay, it's very simple. I hope you understand it. Now fill in the blanks. Try to fill it. First one is a quadrilateral has sides. How many sides, student? These fill up the blanks is totally based on the properties of quadrilaterals as we discussed above. So how many sides in a quadrilateral? That is 4. Recall it: AB, BC, CD and DA. And how many angles? A quadrilateral has blank angles. It's also 4. A quadrilateral has vertices. It's also 4. And numbers, no 3 of which are collinears. A quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. A diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment that joins two opposite vertices of the quadrilaterals. And last one, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now check out your answer. First one is 4, second one is also 4, third one is 4 and collinear, fourth one is 2, fifth one is opposite, and sixth one is 360 degree. Okay, so that's all for today class. I hope you understand it. Okay students, thank you. Now go through the worksheet 9 and try to solve your sums. Goodbye, have a nice day.